What's good, YouTube and Twitch lane? What's the word? All right, about to get everything situated. Fix some of these volumes. All right, is that better? All right, cool. Let me send out this link to let the streets know we here. Twitch. Let me send out the YouTube. Hit the like button if you're just popping in. And yeah. All right, cool. Check the comments. All right. All right, what I'm looking at today is what is my watch list? Already. I'm gonna send a copy of this watch list into the chat. So it's my daily watch list. If you got TradingView, you can take this. And anytime I change it, it'll update for you what I'm watching. So you can name it whatever. I'm gonna drop that in the chat for y'all. All right, that's my TradingView watch list. Gonna take that and add it. Yeah, everything I got. You know what I'm saying? So with that, that'll allow you to see what I'm looking at and get that same watch list I have every day. Oh yeah. So hope that helps. And the next link we're going to drop is Cash App. Support the channel. And I'm going to pin that message, of course. Yeah. That's very important. Yeah. Go on. Hit that thing right there. All right. So let's find what we're going to trade today. Let's see what we got here. First, let's go to SPY. SPY is probably going to open inside here today. Citibank looks pretty good. Just the shooter candle. Sorry, slow shooter. Oh, this BF right here. So this look pretty good. We keep an eye on this at market open. We've already kind of triggered about 4 cents into the trigger. We may come down and fill that gap right there. And we could possibly. So that's one to keep an eye on today. Hood is on the list. It's bouncing around, so that might open inside. WM wasn't looking bad with this 1-3. But this also could end up opening inside. So Lyft is also a 1-3. And now we've retraced 50%. And we're over that, so we could end up taking the entry over this 3 and pushing up and taking out this right here. So Lyft don't look bad. AA probably open inside. F. I've had to shoot off this broad information, but that might open inside. A conflict. Morgan Stanley don't look bad off the shooter here. For time continuity to the downside, so we'll keep our eye on that. Peloton 3-1. What is the? It's at 314. Wow. Okay, so as you can see, Peloton entry was 556, and we're down here at 514. So we've actually taken out all these targets. We've taken out that one. We've taken out. We've taken out this pivot here. Yeah, we took it on a lot. Targets already. So please hit the like button. Yep. All right, I got the string back up. It's killing me. All right. Honestly, I ain't seen nothing. None yet. Just yet. But you're gonna wait a lot of things open inside. Just gonna wait it out for a little while. Forwards inside. AA is inside. Everything is inside. Kind of like Citibank. Let me see something. Goldman Sachs is inside. Yeah, not much going on just yet. Not much going on just yet at all. See what SPY is doing. Yeah, that's just inside. It's inside day. Gap down. We're just sitting here. QQQ is doing. Kia Keely is on. You know, we like to listen to Kia. Kia is talking about. QQQ. Look at QQQ.
So if there's no rate cuts, our favorite friends in the loans department are borrowing. They're not going to be all that great.
All right, I'm gonna take a lotto here on $56 puts, 56 strike price.
Thank you for the follow. Abby gave 2 minutes of profit. How far does it go?
All right, this is a lotto. Get the time frame that went red yet, but that's what I'm feeling. So I'm gonna enter with
But Billy looks like this pivot machine gun on the daily for Billy. That this reversal that's happening right now, like that could be what pumps it up a lot.
all right, I'm in at $61.
960. Get past 960. Really have some numbers.
All right, 4%. Let's see if we continue down. And I want to see if we drop down into time frame continuity,
China, man.
which will be 56.14. My stop is going to be right at the top of this wick right here. That's going to be my stop. So that's my risk on this. Contracts at 63 on the bid, 67 on the ask. A little spready, but I think we fall down into this time frame continuity. We will start to get closer in those spreads. 6%. Another 2 cents. We breaking our entry anyway.
I like China.
Looking a little at the moment though. Looking bullish.
Wow. Can I hear it? Let's see what we get here.
Bitcoin bouncing up.
All right, the contracts are back green.
From the bottom of the channel, back from the top to the middle of one of them, the green one. Or, okay. Oh, forgot to say that AbbVie literally has earnings tomorrow. So that's what I was trying to get rid of the trade for.
Contracts are back 6%.
I didn't realize they had earnings.
How we looking? How we looking? How we looking? Well, the day is almost red, so contracts at 65 on the ask.
Coinbase is holding on right now, but look out for it to fall back below. Because right now we're inside candle, we're rejecting the previous.
Contracts at 65 and 68 on the ask. 10%. So 10% right now. 13%. Contracts at 72, 14%. Now we fall into time frame continuity because we are below this thing. So now we should get ready to go. At 56, we will go red on the day, the week. I mean, the day, the month, and the 60. We wouldn't go see crypto there. So let's see how far we get. Yeah. All right, 24% contracts at 73 from 61 for my entry. Our entry was at 61, and contracts are at 74 and 77 on the apps. 24%. So I'm going to sell. There's a lotto position, but I'm going to sell half right here. 24%. All right, and I'm going to move my stop to. I'm trying to actually take this off completely. I'm trying to move it. Let me see. I'm going to move my stop to right there. Go a little break even, right? So my stop is going to be at 62 on my contracts, right? So I got in at 61. But right now, contracts at 76. Contracts at 72 on the bid and 78 on the ask. 22%. Stop at break even. Please sell some of your position. Contracts at 67. But just stop at break even and we'll let it work from here. If it decides to break back over, we'll get out and maybe look for re-entry. But we ain't letting this green trade go red. And it was up over 20%, so we're not doing that. One thing we don't do is let green trades go red and greedy. Still up 14%. We're gonna see what this gonna do. All right, I'm gonna give you a quick rundown on why I took this trade and why did I take this trade off of before we even broke down into green and basically got this little scalp in, right? All right. So we're gonna run through my checklist. Number one, I seen this broad information from here to here, right? Already was one here, but I seen this one we rejected. Got this shooter candle, right? And we got this gap below. And we have right. So I said, okay, we got to shoot a candle. We got a 2 up, 2 up, right? Morning, Keith. What's going on, brother? And when we opened, I seen this 2 down, right? Now, even though we hadn't broke our level, right? I seen it teetering. Remember we pushed all the way up here, we opened here, and we started to push down, even though we haven't went into time frame continuity. So I entered early. I just recognized that we had all of this space down plus this gap. And I said, if we break this level, the time we'll fall into time frame continuity. So that's the reason why I entered this trade a little early. Is that the strat way to do things? No, but that's the slick way to do things because I know what I'm looking at. But 24% up on these C puts. Stop at break even. So looking good at 16% now. So there's no reason why you shouldn't have sold some of your positions. Stop at break even and a W trade. We definitely 24%. So then we're just gonna let this thing rock. Keith was good. What you looking at this morning? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Appreciate you for pulling up on me every day, Keith. You know what I'm saying? You know, I feel like I'm in here talking to myself every day, trying to grow this small YouTube community. Take us down a lower time frame so we can see some things moving. People like to see candlesticks move and stuff. All right, so we went 3. Oh, we ready to rock. Oh, we ready to rock. Look at this. Come on down. I'm gonna bring this thing right on down under 56. Ooh, the ask on these contracts is 80 and 62. That is wow. I think you'll be able to get out at like a mid price though. Here we go, 67. Now we cooking with grease. Now time frame continuity has fell down, right? We fell down into time frame continuity like I was trying to explain, right? So we had this shooter, right? And we hadn't fallen into time frame continuity, but look at that, the month, the day, and all of that had just been red, right? It was just green. And that's why I took this trade cut early. And now we up 32%. 32. Oh, we are contracts at 34%. Let's see puts. You definitely should be selling some of your position, right? If you have any left. And then we're gonna move this a little, stop loss line on down a little more, right? Just a little more. So if you got in at 60, 62, let's move the stop loss about 70, right? So the stop loss should be at about 70. All right, we're 40% up. Contracts at 88, 83, 40% up now. All right, 40% on these C puts. So I'm gonna suggest you move your stop to about 73. Right, we at 78. We you're slowly moving down, but at the same time, I want to make sure you hold some of these properties. It's still a little spready. Yeah, we got another W on the day. Our position was a lot of position because we took some risk early into the trade before we even should have. But I just kind of seen what I think, and I said, "Puta." That's crazy. Puta. Put that one back up because I spelled it wrong. All right, contracts at 82, back up 40%. All right, so your lower time frame PT could be here, right? When we get there, I don't know. But there's something you can shoot for. Contracts at 86, well over 40% now. Contracts at 83, we got 42%. There you go. All right, so we trading Citibank. We are in $56 puts. Expire Friday. And we are currently up 40 something percent. And we're currently in a 3 candle. So like I said, stop should be in profit. At least. I mean, we got in the 60s. So you should be in profit. Your stop should at least be in 70. At least $10 a contract, like $8 to $10 a contract. So I mean, once you get that far, we don't care what happens after that, right? You know, you made some money. We are 40%. If you lock in somewhere around there, you'll be probably up about 10 or 15%, maybe 20% profit. So you can't beat that. Putting your stop basically in 20% profit is just gold. Free money. If you had 2 contracts, you know, you made about $20, right? Off the 120. It's not bad trade at all. It's pretty cheap contracts too. I try to get out. Make these trades. I try to keep the contract prices and premium prices, where everybody can trade them between like, $10 and $60. I'm like, it will be 100, but it ain't much I can do about it. All day I was supposed to get back on yesterday for FOMC. Man, I went to sleep. I woke up like 2:30. I looked at my phone, was looking at the charts. I said, I don't feel like sitting in front of the screen. I went back to sleep. So my apologies. I was gonna get back on FOMC. It's a pretty big drop. Probably could have did 1,000% on some spot calls or XPX. It was stupid, but I really like the FOMC. As you can see, I took one trade, Lotto, it worked out too well, and I ended it there. I ain't wasn't chopped around, but yeah, contracts at 80 and 85 right now. Position right there, 81. And I'm just chilling. Let's just see if we hit this first PT. What's gonna happen? I mean, we don't really care what happens now because we got that stop in profit. That's your stop should at least be on those contracts at 70, no less than 70, 60 and 61. So your contract should be at no less than 70. Right now, the bid is at 77. So yeah, like, so, you want to set your contracts at 72. I would even do that. So, you gotta even at least $10 per contract if you got in at 61, 62. So our contracts would give you $50 right there, no matter what. But those contracts at 80 something.
Miami finally won a game.
FYI, I will be out of my position. 71. And we just hit 71. I get it back from 72, so I'm still gonna hold it. Contract's still at 72. I'm almost teetering. I'm teetering at my exit. I'm not trying to get back more than that. So get back at 71. All right, $70. I'm exiting. I took most of my profit. I got 5 contracts left. So 70 even, I'm out. That's me. You should be at 72, 72. you should almost be out. You got a small account. Everything you keep. Back to 73. So, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to sell 3 out of 5. I'm going to stop back at 70. Actually, I'm going to stop at 65 for these last 2. So these last 2 is lottos. It don't make or break me. Okay, what happened? You should be out completely. Completely. Because contracts are back at 70, 71, you should be out completely. And even these at 65 just to see what happens. So double a day, 40% play. You should left with no less than 20% profit. Contracts at 40%. You should left with no less than 20% profit. How we doing? I'm gonna take it one play a day. One play a day. We are racking up money, holding up money. Ain't no use risking no more. I don't feel like being on stream all day today. So, yeah, appreciate it, Keith. Glad you pulled up. I think you probably just got here, so you might have missed this play, but I'm pretty sure you're picking because you know how to trade. And if you want to know, those contracts are back up 26% right now. 30%. So, yeah, one trade, Citibank, that was our W. I explained why I took the trade. I'm going to do a quick recap on that and tell you why I took it. So if you want to go run it back, my whole reason for taking this trade was off the daily. Citibank, just getting here. I'll run it back for you. So Citibank, boom, I see this run of formation with a shooter candle, 2 up, we did a 2 down. It pushed up to here. I actually entered earlier about right here on this trade because of I just seen the weakness in it. Boom, and we actually stayed in this trade because I seen this rejection and we pushed on down into time frame continuity, changing over to red, and that's how we ended up in this trade, and we got about 40 something. Into this trade somewhere at about 50, below 56s, and rolled us all the way down to under 56, right? Just like we're at now. That's the reason why I took the trade. That's what I seen, and I knew my stop for the trade was going to be top of this wick, right? That was my risk tolerance, and I entered here. My risk tolerance was about 40. Yeah, so, like I said, if somebody can't tell you why they're taking a trade, we'll break down and we'll explain to you exactly why they're taking the trade, whatever trade they're taking, that trading plan. Don't listen to them. So that was my reason. That's why I was getting in. Walk you through every trade I take. I don't just take it. This is why I'm taking it. And yeah, that's my recap. I accept this video, maybe not the video out of bring back watch it again. But it's basically a perfect situation. Run the formation, shoot a candle, 2 up, 2 down, 2 reversal, with general magnitude down and a gap fill. So I'm still looking at that gap fill. It might take a couple of days, but we're on a daily chart. So that's my reasons. That was my high conviction. And yeah. And the only risk that I took that was STRAT type of risk was entering a trade and a reversal that hasn't switched in or to time frame continuity because I entered it here, so I entered early with knowing the risk, my risk tolerance here, but understanding and managing my risk from there allowed me to do that, right? So, so tomorrow, I'm gonna just let the stream run like I always do. I got things to do. Just to make money and you're going about your day. You feel me saying? Like boom, the market's back in what? 45 minutes, 30. All right, we made a 42% trade. Got in, got out, got out. I still got 2 contracts left at 32%. Those 2 contracts, I'm at plus 40, so that's $40. I had took 20 contracts on this. So most of them up there at about 20 to 30 to 40%. So I'm just buying out the rest of these 2 contracts just to see where they go. I ain't want to leave the stream better. Like I made my money for the day. I like to take it. I don't like to risk a whole lot. I don't like to get my profits back. So yeah, that being said, have a great day. Keith, I'll holler at you. Up. I'm out. Stream run. I'm gonna let Keely continue. talk and maybe he's talking about and learn some more. Me personally, I'm out.
Unity looks like you got everyone on here. How many people are one, two, probably missing 4 people. Right? Attendance. All right. We're on the new side. Yeah. I like this idea. Are these like, well, first of all, let me just check out something that's consumer staples. We're after orb, so right now lots of spies, all green. Consumer staples, those. Coinbase dropping, so I'm looking at Coinbase puts as well. Right now, from what we can tell here, consumer staples have a lot of control. Costco, PG, Pepsi, Walmart. Right now, Coca-Cola getting something. Lolly World, trying to, oh, what the hell is that? Philip Morris, or break, auto shack setup. 312, big old candle. Philip Morris PM can continue to go up here. Kicking bull on MO with a double bottom. Up ADR setup. So one entry could have came either beat it at open or right here. Damn. I just switched to it maybe 5 minutes ago. We're just breaking orb on MO. So there's still some scalps to be had with maybe MO contracts. Everything in consumer staples is pumping. Might be a laggard here for craft.
up at 10:30 natural gas storage. Page 250 BCF consensus.
I had a couple gaps to come back down. A firm body bag. Consumer staples going up while some of these other Jones. Here's an opportunity for MO calls while we're also looking at puts on any stock that gives loans.
Hey, I just want y'all to know that those contracts are at 72%, 107, and 102 and 107 on the bids.
It did yesterday.
Yeah. Would you look at that? And boom, we are past the first entry. Are we at 78%? Told you I was gonna slide off a little minute. Yeah, we lit. Hell of a trade right here. Told you something. I always find us a banger. Put that work in. Took me a long time to get here.
Daily chart. We're starting up on a double top. We're reaching a large range. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I realized my mistake that no one said to me until Gary did just now. That's the whole thing, right? Good stuff too. Okay.
Have you ever been swallowed?
Are you able to hear the background? No. Stretch. Das beats ass. If I put the range rush reversal on multiple tickers, what is that? AI does, damn, that's great. As soon as it re-triggered its level, it's over for all of these growth stocks. lots of banks are getting more breakdown. MO looks valid for some calls there, right? Like literally right now. Coca-Cola just making its way. SPY with a bounce. We did market structure up. Might have been calls off of this level. Scout. Yeah. We should take out the previous mini high of the day here. Yeah, 10:30 data next. Yeah, SPYs. Because here we go, MO.
Coming up natural gas storage.
No, you can't.
They draw north of New BCF.
I don't know why they make it so complicated.
DANH Pantech, getting a pop here on light volume, relatively. DANH, 20%, 70%. DANH.
Okay, this should. Here we go. Here we go, MO. Yeah, I should be able to hear it now. Here we go on SPY. This is kind of a, today was a simple smart money concepts day. Made a high, collected something down there, made a higher high, market structure shift, once a fair value gap, break your structure up.
Threw that wick down. Russell back up. Let's see what happens here.
I think you're able to detach the stream if you want to use the Discord for something else and have it like floating picture in picture.
Yeah, I can talk it up.
Yeah. Oh God, Bitcoin. Always with these crazy candles. Shit is trying to go. BTC down on AI. It should like accelerate at some point. AI's pullback. I would think that we'd fall below ADR here. The weekly time frame is the most damning here. We tried bouncing off of broad information before though. So. Came up, wicked off this in a second. They triggered back down.
And reverse back down. Here we go.
I don't know if Apple's earning the entire market.
What the heck?
Wonder what they're gonna say.
Oh my god.
Apple, Meta, and Amazon have earnings after market.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it's not just Apple. It's about to get hectic.
January U.S. sales up 165,753 vehicles, up 23.2% year-over-year.
All right. I like AI $23 puts for next week. We can wait until Orb is broken, or excuse me, ADR is broken down though. If we can get like a big volume drop below this ADR, then
GRI green bioshare currently off the highs of 88% up. Popping to the highs now, $3.47. $3.47 at the high, and shares are halted again.
I haven't looked at Roblox yet today. All of these look like they have head and shoulders on them, bro. Can't hold you. Typing a trade idea, sorry. It is over for shop, bro. It's over, bro. $75 puts for February 16th can even get as low as $73 puts for that same expiration. It's over for shop. Right now, Coinbase looking a little rough. Firm. Whoever asked about AI, I like that you put it on my radar here. It looks valid. We had a short-term low. We were going up, made a short-term low, tried to pull up further, breaking that low. Came back for some fair value gap, for some bearish gap, and then now we should fall to 23.30. I like it. And same thing is true on this other bigger time frame. We come back to 20 for AI. So about to get. Hopefully, someone got into shot puts when I mentioned that it was gonna die. Shop is the most dieable stock. It's not a word, really, but like shop out of everything is gonna get murdered. So it seems. So it seems. Unity can get it bad too. But if not we're in there, just find different entry. Apple over here is not giving a shit. You always answer my calls. Oh, you always answer my calls. I'm up 12% here on AI. Hooray! Oh, shop. Goodbye. entry for AI was, oh, this is the weekly chart. But yeah, the long-term entry for puts for AI was literally the first day of the year. That was for long-term puts, but yeah, at the moment, this is what it should be.
CNXA, Conexa, Sports Technology, shows at the intraday high, 43 cents up to about 6.5%.
15% profit here now on AI. So who was that? Somebody asked about what laptop I bought. Hold on. Affirm trigger 212 down month. That's what someone else just said. Actually, I charted this. Oh yeah, Affirm's about to get whopped. Stop. Yes.
GRI,
And it's an inside month, which is
about
crazy.
80 cents now.
Bloody, bloody murder. Seek and destroy. Dollar General actually going up here. Tesla, the 2 down week setup. What's that ticker? Oh, TSLL. If you want to trade a smaller version of Tesla.
TSO is leverage.
Much cheaper contracts.
What does the high for Verizon say for you for yesterday?
$43.21.
So are you on the daily?
Yeah.
Go to a lower time frame. And
Oh yeah, I
do
see.
you still see that?
No.
Why? Like, it is driving me nuts. I don't know what that is. Like, that is some fugazi.
Okay. It looks like 40. Okay. It was something that happened.
I don't have that.
It was on extended hours. I guess that's a pre-market high, but for some reason, it seems like the data read as if it happened during the trading day, but some weird, whatever movement or weird glitch happened, like immediately at market close on Verizon, and it got registered as if it was within the actual regular trading hours.
I was trying to answer someone's question, but I was like, hold on.
Very strange. Can't make it change. Can't make it change. Here's ARKK coming down as we mentioned. Coin getting baharied. Goodbye. Coin should get so oh snap. Let me look at I didn't even look at Palantir. Palantir maybe setting up for tomorrow. Oh, Palantir says this huge gap to fill. Oh, smackage. And with them not decreasing rates, that can be bad.
They have the earnings on Monday.
Oh, okay.
The Fed Secretary was thinking
Goddamn earnings.
It's gonna be perfect. The earnings will just mess it up.
Goddamn earnings. Alright, now SPY is over. Now SPY may seek and destroy to fill this gap. Let's see.
Should have been in SoFi, wasn't it?
Yeah, no. Shop and coin. Oh. And AI. Oh.
I gotta ask my day. Hold on, it's not too late. Actually, oh no, it's not. That was good for it. So get this phone out. AI puts that 2-2 on the week.
I was thinking I would get some shares of one of them patterns.
What's NYCB?
New York Chris Brown. So that's the dark amber.
Yeah, no, Shop has earnings on the 13th. So that's why I was saying the February next week or the 16th. Pretty good for Shop. Nice. Yeah, banks, right? And look at JPM. Smacked. Oh, yeah. JPM and friends, they can all get it's destroyed really badly. I mean, of course, they already are. We know that. But in the fact that this is certainly liquidity grab with PMG down for the most part with the displacement. So XLF, we hit some previous level.
That looks very interesting. Trigger the $2.
Whoa, XLF.
I just didn't.
XLF can get outside week down. And then SPY, where is it? SPY can do the same thing. Same thing. Looks like SPY just barely missed the outside week down yesterday. We hadn't been expecting outside week down since like Monday. But yeah, so now SPY is gonna hit the low of week now. So you can get yourself up in there, get you one of these. Just try not to be too late to everything. That's very likely. If you at least get 1 week expiration, we're going to the previous week low. This outside week set. Coin and Shop. Shop right now at the yearly open. We just dropped $2, $2 full since I haven't mentioned it. Coinbase. Right now, AI is on the previous hourly broad information, but the major broad information is not until 2250. So
Damn, Shop is dumping like a mud.
Firm given an estimation.
yeah, firm got 5 even.
Hell. That's what makes you get it down.
All these are going to get fed. It sounded like it, didn't it?
did. Who was that? Or is that like what's the name is on the tip of my tongue?
Probably someone you won't guess. But it says, so this is a Robert Glasper song, number one.
Oh, okay.
And he's doing the instrumentation, but that's Aunt Clemens singing. But when he hit like the first couple of notes on the song, it sounds like Chris Brown.
It sounds like I'm right there.
Yeah. Roll. Yo, Coin is getting decked, man. Now Coin can go outside week down, potentially. If it gets even worse later today and tomorrow, I was like, oh my God. Yo, it's getting right now, Coin.
Riot is doing the same thing. Yes, AI is getting swapped up. We can go 2 down on the month. 23.58. Valentine, I got a trade on it for the day. The market is getting slapped.
Yeah.
I don't know what else to look at. It's like, are there any live rates? Come on, watch this.
S&P futures falling here now, 48.77.
All right, today is a good day. Oh, I just got an alert that says Carvana major dumpy. I set that probably a week ago, and whenever I set alerts and they randomly trigger, it's typically when shit really pops up. Damn. Yeah, I was thinking about looking at Carvana earlier because I was looking at when y'all were talking about plug. I was like, oh, how's Carvana? I forgot to look at the chart, but yeah, it's the same jump. Damn. But there's more major dumping to happen. So longer term than this. Right now, we did 3-2 with a shooter right now on the week. If we take a small break tomorrow and Friday, that can lead for some more time next week that Carvana is going to get murdered. So that could be what we have here. But yeah. I set that alert a week ago.
I'm not sure what Sam is talking about, but he said once it's midnight in Iran, possible attack. If that happens, he hard on us. Yeah, he's gonna back up later. There's some type of war over there.
I don't know what new developments.